Hello everyone. So in this video we have again come up with a very unique question pertaining to the number system in general. Okay, so this question will basically be taking a look towards a very unique concept regarding the divisibility and basically number of factors in also. So let's go through the question. Let S be a set of positive integer n with property that the last four digit of n are 2020. So last four digit, okay. And when the last four digits are removed, the resultant is a divisor of n. So an example is given here. So let's take a look at the example itself. For example, 42020 is in S because 4 is a divisor of 42020. And the sum of 4 is a divisor of, and last if we take out this particular thing, this digit is basically a divisor of 42020. Okay, so now find the sum of all the digits, all the numbers in S. For example, 42020 has sum this one. So basically we need to find all the possible values for S, and we need to figure out all the possible values, and subsequently we need to find the sum of the following as well. So let's take a look at how we can approach this kind of problem. So here basically S will be some say alpha, beta, gamma. So this part subsequently 2020 will be the last four digit. Okay, and this part can be n number of numbers. So basically we can actually write S in the form of, since there are four digits, so we need at least five digit. So five digit we have the 10,000 into a be any such number which has to be multiplied with 10,000 plus 2020. So basically this can give us something like a 2020. The number will be something on this lines. So basically now what we need, that this a has to divide the number itself. Okay, so for a to divide the number itself, a needs to completely divide 1000 into a, which it will, and also a completely needs to divide 2020, for which a has to be a factor of 2020. Okay, so this is the whole idea behind the question itself. Now if we take a look at number of factors of 2020, we actually have, say 20, if I take 2, 10, 10, again 2, 505, 5101. So what we have is 2 square into 5 into 11, 101. So basically number of factors would be 3 into 2 into 2, which basically gives us 12 factors. Okay, so this we basically have 12 factors. Now these 12 factors will have sum which will be equal to 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0. So all these 12 factors will have sum 12 into 48 equal to, now what can I say, oh sorry, my bad, 12 into 48. All these 12 numbers will actually have sum 12 into 4, which in turn would give us 48. So this particular portion, the sum of this particular portion is actually done. Okay, now let's focus on this particular part. Okay, so here a can take many possible values as such. So what values can A take? A take a number of possible values pertaining to this number of factors. So A can take form in accordance to 2 square into 5 into 101. Uh, 101. So what can be the forms of A? A can take the value 1. A can take the value 2020. So it should be a factor of 2020 in general. Similarly, A can take the value 5. A can take the value 101. A can take the value 4. A can take the value 5 into 2 10. A can take the value 5 into 4 20. A can take the value 202. A can take the value 505. A can take the value what we have 404 as well. Subsequently, what we have A can take the value, yeah, A can take the value 2 as well. So are there any more? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Are we missing something? Let me just see. We have 1, we have 2, yeah, 1 2, we have 4, we have 5, we have 20 20, we have 101, we have 10, we have 20 404. Yeah, A can also take value 1010, 101 into 2 into 5. So yeah, these are all the values that A can take. And now if I try to find the sum of all the digits pertaining to the same, so let me find the sum of all the digits pertaining here. Here we have 1, here we have 4, here we have 5, here we have 2, here again 4, here again 1, 2, 4, 10, 8, 2 and 2. So if we look to find the sum of all digits, we have 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 10 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2. So 12, 22, 26, 28, 29, 33, 35, 40, 45. We have 45. So therefore total sum required, so basically sum of all digits will be 45 plus 48. In turn we have is 93, which is our required answer. So hopefully all these things are clear to you. So the approach we took towards solving this particular question in general, and how we actually came about with the solution of the same, and the concept behind solving this kind of problems as well. So with that said, I'm signing off. Thank you so much.